Hi, this is Litre Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Toyota E6, stock number 7403. It's run from the 4th, 2012 and the 9th, 2016. It's an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left-hand out, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet. Left-hand door mirror, left front door seat race car, 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left-hand taillight, rear boot lid, no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right-hand headlight, right-hand door card, right-front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen single-stick stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, rear front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,